Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this candle warmer lamp. It has a dimmer. It also has a timer from 2, 4, and 8 hour. This is adjustable height and it fits most candles. Alright, so today we got our candle warmer. This one is dimmable candle melter. It unleashes fragrance and creates a cozy ambience with this candle warmer. If you're on the lookout for a candle warmer, these ones are a really nice one. These ones are super nice. It fits the room decor, the mood lighting. It includes 2 of the 50-watt bulbs. It has the brightness, which is dimmable. You can go super light or you can go super bright, but it is adjustable. So first off in the box, this is the light itself. This is upside down. So you can see that it's got a brass color and it has a glass on the top, which makes it really super nice. So the amber glass lampshade is really nice. It gives that good feeling. It fits all kind of candles. It does have a remote control that is with it. This right here is to adjust it up higher or lower, so it fits to any kind of candles. So you can see that that's where the lamp goes. And then in the remote control, it does have timers. It's got an 8 hour, a 4 hour, a 2 hour. You've got your on button here at the bottom with the little red button. You can brighten it, lower the brightness, and there's the power button right there. So this is a standard 110 volt that goes into your power plug. So now right here we have the lamps. You get 2 of the 50 watts. So you do have enough bulbs to last you for quite a while. So these are super easy to install. You can see they have these little round things at the bottom. You just put it in there and you turn it and it should lock in place. So you can see the little screws right in here. And then there's the bulb. So we're just going to turn the lamp upside down and then we're going to install the bulb. You can see where these little lines go up and down on each side. You just make sure you put one in on the top and one on the bottom. You twist it and it will lock in place. So it is super easy. This lampshade makes it look really nice. If you like to have your room smelling nice and lovely and also have some light, these are really nice options to have. If you're looking for a nice candle light, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one's a super nice one. It looks really nice and it goes with any decor that you have at your house.